Hello fellow traders, welcome to another review. So today is gonna be about the FIBO Group. FIBO Group is a very credible trader and prides itself in being among the first to incorporate internet trading to its services. The company was founded in 1998 and in its 2 decades of existence it has carved out a niche for itself in being a top forex player. For the trading accounts in the FIBO Group, FIBO Group offers its clients a variety of trading accounts for their different trading strategies. Each of these accounts has different unique features to meet different clients' needs. These accounts are the MT4 Cents account and the MT4 fixed account and the MT4 NDL account and the MT4 NDD no commission account and the MT5 NDD account and the CTrader NDD account. The MT4 Cent account has a minimum spread of 0.6. MT4 fixed account has a minimum deposit of $300 and a minimum spread of 2 pips. The MT4 NDD account has a 0 pips, minimum spread starts from 0 pips. Also, the CTrader's minimum spread starts from 0 pips. So the minimum initial deposit for FIBO Group, the minimum started at $300 on the higher side and will serve as your initial base capital in the execution of trades. FIBO Group has among the most advanced trading platforms that enhance the trading experience. This is courtesy of the many features that these platforms come with. Its various trading platforms are the MetaTrader 4, the MetaTrader 5, and the CTrader platform. The MetaTrader 4 trading platform is a user-friendly interface, advanced charting and analysis tool, has 13 technical indicators, minimum traffic consumption, supports all type of execution modes. For the MT5 platform, it also has a user-friendly interface, supports all execution modes, has advanced charting and analysis tools, allows for automated and copy trading, has access to news from credible sources such as Reuters concerning the forex trade, compatible with a host of devices such as iOS, Windows, Android, and Mac. There is also the CTrader platform. Also in this group, they offer some promotions. So currently running on FIBO Group, the $50 account, as they call it, the no desk dealing promotion. Also for the withdrawal and deposits, the company offers flexible modes of transactions and accepts modes such as credit card, bank transfer, and automatic pay through the BitPay and Pay system. No commissions are charged on deposits and up to $15 will be charged on withdrawals. The least withdrawal amount is $18. The trading product range includes offering to the retail clients or money managers as well as investors program through the PAMM service. Forex trading through the FIBO Group represents 16 currency pairs, including cryptocurrency, with high leverage possibilities and low spread through the NDD execution model and the CFD with no swaps, 0% commissions through the reasonable fixed spread. So, generally speaking, FIBO companies of the holding for the years of operating won numerous awards for their excellent customer service and brokerage firm achievements, along with thousands of satisfied clients they served around the world. So, the broker provides the provision of investment services and secure trading along with professional indemnity insurance, and in addition is a member of the Investor Compensation Fund. The customers and partners can be assured that all services provided by any of companies within the FIBO Holding Group meets the highest international standards and are under the control of national regulatory. In addition, AutoTrade, or a social trade platform, MyFXBook as a reliable way to copy deals from the successful traders to your account is generously available at FIBO platform too. This platform is a great feature for beginning trades as well as professionals who would like to earn followers. Another access offered by FIBO Group is designed for money management or professionals that may deploy their trading opportunities by a vast, powerful instrument, bringing investment to a different, highly responsible and powerful future. Briefly, so FIBO Group has all it takes to be a leader in the forex trade. Its nearly 2 decades stay in the business has given it the necessary scale to take the forex sector by storm. This is a very credible trader or a broker that I would strongly recommend to anyone, more to those who want to trade professionally. That being said, guys, thanks for watching. See you on another review with another broker, and bye bye.